family. $100 from Aletin. $100 from Quick Fit. $200 from CBZ. $200 from Bright Touch. A Bodilion Shield and commendation letter from the University of Zimbabwe. And $500 from Joshua Kabubongomo. This outstanding performance earns her automatic entry into the Bachelor of Education degree program at the University of Zimbabwe, as well as a scholarship award from the same university. This outstanding graduate is none other than Muleya Rachel Vanita. May I at this juncture request